Hello from the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota. And we are in winter again. It's like it just keeps coming back and keeps coming back. Spring will come soon. But I'm going to talk about Campaign 10 today. And it's our big eye event. And make sure that you don't let your eyes tell your age. And we have the Clinical Eye Lift Pro. That is one of just an awesome product. It has a little lid on there, and it has two eyes to show you which is for the top and bottom if you forget. But there's a gel on the top, that's for your upper eye, and the cream is for the lower eye. And when you do eye stuff, remember to just use your little pinky and pat. But what's kind of cool in our eye event, this as well as all the other eye creams in the new line, they are on sale for $14.99. So great time to try eye products. And now I have to tell you some fun things. I don't know if you can hear my music in the background, but with Avon, we have the Blab Like a Boss. And one of the things that I earned was an Echo Dot. And so I have, hi, thanks for joining, Natalie. I earned the Echo Dot, and I like Alexa to play music for me. So I'm going to quick tell her to see if she can hear me because she's in the other room. I'll tell her to play it a little louder. Alexa, volume 10, please. Is that cool? And she'll go out when you want to really jam when you're working. She can do that. Alexa, volume 4, please. Thank you. Sorry, didn't mean to talk so loud, but I wanted her to be able to hear me. And another thing with Avon is we have other kind of incentives too. And we have, our Sphere, which is our health and wellness line. We had all kinds of different things that you could earn. I earned the apron and these cool little earbuds. They come in this little, so you can put them on your belt loop or whatever and take them to the gym or whatever. But they're earbuds, and I don't know where I put it. But I also earned a gym bag. It's huge, and on my front door, when you come to see me, I have a big old "This is Boss Life" magnet. So that's kind of a fun thing. But in the Aspira line, two of them the vitamins that I guess I'm taking 3. I take them tablets and boosts. I just take 1 a day. You can take up to 2 a day. I think that's an awesome one. Because I definitely need some boosting on my metabolism to get my things going. But we also have samples of different things. I also take the, hi there. Thanks for joining, Christy. I also take the natural energy. I don't take the natural energy, but we have those. My doctor said I have enough energy in me. But I have samples of those, and it's like a 2-day supply of them. And it has a little card with all the information. I have those as well as the Restful Sleep and the Calm ones that you can get. So I just really like those products. But the daily essentials, I take them daily. So yeah, I love the plant powder protein. That one I take daily. I make a healthy shake, and I take my meds with it. And guess what? Since I started doing that, I don't get nauseous at all. So I think that's a great one. Thanks for joining. Jewelry. This is a fun one I have on. I put one of them on. This has a heart, and then the beads, and then red beads on it. That's why I decided to wear a red shirt. But here is the one with a cross, and they're chokers, and it has green beads, and then we have one with a feather, and it has purple beads, and they're only like, I think they're like $7.99, maybe $9.99, but either one. We have a bunch of jewelry this time that's kind of prices that they are, and this one I didn't open up, but there's all kinds of, it's a dragonfly. It's just a beautiful, really good detail on that dragonfly. And those are in there as well, but there's all kinds of other ones that you can get of the $9.99. These are $7.99. But look here's all the fun ones that you can get. Just tons of great ones. And I'm a big believer in wearing jewelry. And our Avon conference this year is in Columbus, Ohio, at the end of July, and I'm so excited to go there, and so I can bring back information to share with everybody about it. But one of the kind of fun things that's in our catalog this time is this bracelet. Is that like cool? because 4th of July is coming up. But in Columbus, Ohio, at our conference, Rascal Flatts is coming off of their tour to do a special concert just for us Avon ladies. But there's all kinds of other different bracelets that you can get in there, $7.99 as well. And you know me, I love skincare. Can't tell you enough about it. Peel off mask. The last 2 Sundays I have done this peel off mask. It is so awesome. It's you have this gorgeous glow because it's gold. It goes on gold, and you put a thin layer, but not too thin. Because my friend stopped over, I had my gold on, and so she put one on, but she didn't put as much on. But it's a thin layer, but not too thin. And then you just let it sit and be, and then you just peel it off, and your face feels like so soft, and it still does. And it also does a really good cleaning, like around the pores of my nose. I have an oily nose, and so it kind of takes that off. So that's a really nice thing for that. Mother's Day is coming up May 13th. We don't have too many catalogs before Mother's Day because it comes fast. I mean, we're already in almost to the middle of April. So last time I showed you this, I love this saying. And when you use your skincare, too young to have kids this age. That's how I feel. Nobody thinks that my kids should be as old as they are. But in there, it has the Ultimate Day Cream and the Vitamin C Serum, 2 of my very must-have products I use daily. But you get all of that for $35. Another kind of a fun thing that's in the sets is it comes in this cute little box, has a bow on it. So you can just actually give this to your mom. And it's footwork stuff. And it has the 3-in-1 pampering oil, which you can use for your cuticles, massage oil, or foot soak. And then the softening balm, the lavender nail polish, and the foot tool has all kinds of different things in there, all for $15. And we have all kinds of things for moms. Look at this. For mom, it says Best Mom on it. It has a little bow. And it has I really like the smells. It has rose scent. It's a soft cotton and rose scent. Notes of cotton, blossom, jasmine, rose, cashmere wood, and musk. It does smell really good. And it's one of our 3-wick candles. Burn all 3 wicks at the same time, and it is great. It burns even, so you end up with no candle. But in that section, where that's at, you need to read what those socks say. Get it yourself. That was great. More moms need to tell their kids to do that. Yeah. Oh, I'm glad that you like that oil, Chrissy. It is great. And you know what? And when you when we were doing our mask, then I did our toenails, and then she did my fingernails, but I'm terrible at keeping those, and they really smashed. I did a terrible job, but you put that oil on, and it just brightens up your nails. Oh, I missed this. Last time, remember I showed you all that wonderful pearl stuff? Well, here is in this cute little box, and it has just the same kind of design as on that, but it has, we have different pins, and this one is, maybe if I put it up against me, you can see it better. See it? No, my fingers are too big, so you can't see it. But there's all kinds of pearls in there. It's a flower, and it has this little design around that. I just think it's gorgeous. I have so many pins. I love pins. I need to get back into wearing pins. But yeah, and our fun stuff for bags. We have all kinds of bags that are real fun for traveling. We have the makeup bags, the travel bags, the tote bags, the weekender bags. But your feet are starting to show, people. Well, not ours today because we have like lots and lots of snow. But if they're starting to hurt, we also have the Arthritis Achy Foot Cream. And they're on sale this size for $3.99. Our foot products are fantastic. And if you like Vitamoist, remember, it's just in the springtime. If you don't get it now, you're going to have to wait till Christmas before it comes back, because that's usually when it does. And some makeup stuff. Glimmer sticks, they're the ones that are the soft tip, and if you need to sharpen them, you just put a tissue between your fingers and roll it. We've had just not that long ago, we added a bunch of new colors for brows. Brunette is one of the new colors, and they're on sale. All the glue sticks for $2.99. And glazeware. This time of the year, we are going to get warm. I always put lip gloss in my car instead of lipstick, because if you leave your car shut, it can make your lipstick get too hot. But glazewares and lip glosses, they're perfect for that. You can just keep them in your little thin console and put a little bit of color back on. This one is called Apple Cinnamon, but it's in one of it has some great gift sets for mom member at the very beginning. And there's like a 3-pack of glazewares, and Apple Cinnamon is one of the colors in the packs. All 3 for $15. So love that. What else? Oh, and remember, we have this cool little Best of Beauty pick, and it comes in this cute little bag, which you can take on your carry-on because it will make it in TSA and all the stuff that's in it. So we have the travel size of the Soft and Essential Body Lotion, the Power Serum, the Ultimate Night Cream, and then the lipstick, all for $10. It's an unadvertised special, so if you want it, you have to make sure you let me know because it's not in the catalog. So that's why you're watching. So thanks. We also have, all of our other fun catalogs or candles and stuff. I have to show you this. You can tell I'm so ready for spring. I ordered this and you're saying, what the heck is this? Because I haven't taken it apart because it's a little too cold to put it outside. But in the summer and when it's nice out, I like to go sit outside, and you need to keep your fluids, keep hydrated. That also keeps you young looking if you keep hydrated. But these are stakes that go in. There's 2 of them. There's a red one and a blue. You put them in, and you can put your drink in there, wherever you're at in the yard. So now someone can sit with you. No matter where you're at, you can have your drink and not have to be bending over and it falling over. But that was in one of our outlet catalogs. So those are always online too. Remember, we can always back order 2 brochures. So campaign 8 and 9 are available. And those of you that I see when I'm out and about, if you would like a sample before you order your iLift Pro, I have a few of those, so let me know. I'll carry them around with me. Also, we have all the little sales flyers, remember that. And we have a wonderful incentive for new people. So if you've been thinking about wanting to start your own Avon business, let me know, because I would love you to get in on the wonderful incentives that are going on right now for a few more campaigns for brand new representatives. It's just for brand new representatives that started just recently and through campaign 13. So let me know. Thanks for watching. Faye Swenson, Avon Independent Sales Rep and National Recruiter. Just to make sure I didn't miss them. Oh, I also got this ring that says Faith. It was in the sales flyer. Because that's what my name means, and I do have a lot of faith. Thanks much. Have a great one. And we are going to have spring soon. I'm ready for it. How about you? And for reps that are watching, I'm going to be having our meeting, I think it's like on the 24th, our April meeting. I worked on it since I'm called it an executive order day to be inside because of our wonderful weather. I started working on a presentation for our meeting. So look forward to seeing you. Thanks much. Have a great day.